The Rain Still Is Falling by Randal A. Burd, Jr. The darkness is coming, the rain still is falling, the lightning is closer with each passing breath. Yet I remain here, exhausted and lonely, waiting for angels with news of my death. We left home as children, most eager for manhood. We set out to earn it with bullet and blade, not so much scared as just tired and homesick, reflecting back now on decisions we made. Sitting in silence, I feed off my memories. I set my resolve from the well in my soul. We stand up as one and determined march forward, forgetting our thoughts as we march for our goal.